Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2011 Dodge Journey. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as adjustable headrests in all seating positions, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and air conditioning. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.